Doing some research on Iceland, are we? Well, you just hit the jackpot, because in this video we are going to be diving into everything there is to know about Seljalandsfoss waterfall. Seljalandsfoss is a 60-meter high waterfall found along Iceland's picturesque south coast, and is considered a staple attraction for sightseeing tours in the area. The waterfall, which is a part of the river Seljalandsá, can be found in close proximity to Iceland's ring road, and is thus one of the most photographed features in the country, even used in a Justin Bieber's music video. So don't forget your camera. This is the right place to take a snapshot. One of the greatest aspects of visiting Seljalandsfoss is the natural pathway that trails all the way around the falls, even dipping into a small cavernous area directly behind the water. This makes for an incredibly unique perspective, but be warned, you'll likely be drenched in the spray that the waterfall gives off. After walking the path around Seljalandsfoss, many guests choose to visit Gljúfrabúi, another waterfall hidden away among the south's ancient sea cliffs. How amazing is this place, right? During the winter season, it is highly advised not to walk around the falls since the icing makes the walk too hazardous. Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring Iceland with us. For more information and videos, please subscribe to our channel or check out our website.